Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create moving collage in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and first of all we need to create photo collage. We need to create photo collage using 9 photos, so make sure you have prepared 9 photos from your gallery. And then we can create new project. Tap on new project and choose the photo you want to make a collage. And for example, I'm going to choose photo from my pins folder. I'm just going to pick random photos like this. I'm going to select 9 photos. Oops. Okay, it's already 9 photos, and I'm going to click on collage and we can choose the format. I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to save it as a photo collage. We can click on continue. Okay, and then we're going to save it as collage. We can select export to save the photo collage and wait for a moment. Right, and I'm going to create a new project. Okay, then import the photo we have just saved. Right, I'm going to go to my camera. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, this is the collage we have saved, and I'm going to add it to my project. Alright, and I'm going to change the ratio. Go to the aspect ratio, and I'm gonna go with this one, 16:9. Then I'm just going to zoom in like this, and I'm going to create scrolling effect using the keyframe. We can click on the keyframe, and then I'm going to move it up like this to add movement. Okay, and this is the result. And then I'm going to add it back to this project. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to go to the effect right here and then select the video effect, and I'm going to search for ripple effect. Okay, select ripple, then you can adjust the effect before you apply it to your video. Right here, if you want to adjust, I'm just going to increase the speed. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create moving collage in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!